You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding crypto mining. Let's make it simple and fast. First, what is crypto mining? It's using computer hardware to solve math problems that verify transactions on a blockchain. Next, pick your coin. Bitcoin and Ethereum are big names but need specialized gear. Litecoin or Ethereum Classic might be easier for starters. Now let's talk hardware. ASICs are for specific coins, GPUs are versatile. Don't forget the cost of electricity and cooling. Got your rig? Install mining software like CG Miner or NiceHash. Join a mining pool to share resources and rewards. Choose one with low fees and a good rep. Secure your earnings with a reliable wallet. Hardware, software, or exchanges like Binance work well. Keep an eye on your setup and tweak for better performance. Markets change, and so should your strategy. Remember legal and tax rules. Crypto mining isn't all fun and games. Finally, stay informed and adapt. The crypto world evolves fast. And there you have it. Crypto mining in 60 seconds. Ready to start your mining adventure?